Okay, in theory, the Hoopty Coopty Audi needs a chicken coop. I would like to put chicken wire on the back and have chickens in there to make it a Hoopty Coopty, literally. The Hoopty Doopty chicken Coopty. Yeah, this is my Audi. I'm lightening it up. I'm going to add chickens because if they flap their wings, it'll have like a weight reduction. And you tie them on, like, not tie them, but they'll hold onto a stick and they'll flap, and it's like a weight reduction. Yeah, I got rid of the doors and the trunk, make it lighter, you know, make it faster, make it lighter. Take out the seats, all that stuff you don't need in the Audi. I like this car now. It's like, I came out here and I tried to do this video like a month ago, and I just laughed. I couldn't like stop laughing, like how excited I was about how, yeah, so we got rid of all the useless stuff. The hood, the seats, all the crap. But in the back, most importantly, that seat's gotta come out. So I can put chicken wire in there, right? And I have chickens in the back in my Hoopty Coopty Doopty Super Doopty. Yeah. And sheer humiliation to the car for nothing else, and the satisfaction of myself. So anyway, I wanted to give you guys an update. I'd like to thank everyone on Craigslist that came over here and helped out, and the defenders. There's one bolt holding them on. You know, that guy forgot that one bolt, but he can have those. And I still got front doors. I don't mind. It's cool. Don't like door panels. There's windows in there. They're a weight. You can have them. There's glass up there. We can still get that out. But primarily, I'm very satisfied with the way this is going. And it ain't going anywhere. And worst case scenario, it goes to the scrapyard. But that's not going to happen until it gets Hoopty Doopty / beach status, jumping, smashing wall. The standard. Because this car and me, you know, we have a personal issue. And I just wanted to know personally that eventually I will get to the problems and solve them in the best way that I know how, with the least amount of effort. Because I mean, if you're in a situation where you just got screwed by a car and you want to get your revenge on a car, don't put effort into it. You know, don't bust a sweat hitting it with a sledgehammer. Charge people $5 to hit it with a sledgehammer and get your money back and enjoy it. You know what I mean? Thank you once again, Craigslist people. I wish someone would come get that seat, but no one could get it out. Like 5 people tried. So that's the one question I have. How do you get the back seat out of an Audi? I got to get an Audi here. Seriously. Yeah, that seat right there, it's got to come out of here. I want to take it all the way out of the car. And anyway, the car looks like shit, and I'm glad. It never looked this bad, but, you know, look. Ooh, the taillights. That was weight. Don't need those. The chickens, you know, red chickens flapping when you hit the brakes will be plenty. Big red ones. Oh yeah, whoever wanted the mirror, they got to come back and get that.